Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Confirm your app and OS are current because an outdated version often hides the option. Once done, export or backup chats you care about. Emoji history won't always restore. Then open the app and go straight to settings. Look for privacy, keyboard, or chat options. These are where emoji history controls hide. Make sure you have device passcode or account credentials ready, because some platforms require verification. But now locate the exact control. Search settings for emoji history, recent, or keyboard. Once located, choose the action labeled Clear, Reset, or Remove Recent. This deletes stored emoji entries from the app layer. Make sure you confirm any prompts. Some apps ask if you want to clear keyboards or all typing data. After clearing, restart the app, and if available, clear system keyboard cache in your device settings so suggestions truly reset before moving on. Finish by verifying. Type a few common emoji and observe suggestions and the recents list. If emojis still reappear, make sure you also clear the device keyboard cache or, when necessary, reinstall the app. This often removes stubborn local storage. If your account syncs across devices, repeat the reset on each device or revoke sync access, then re-enable it. One troubleshooting tip: if emoji persist after these steps, revoke keyboard permissions temporarily. Restart the device, and then retry clearing to break any cached linkage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.